How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get rid of pimples, the ultimate tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So how do you get rid of pimples, you guys? The reason why you get pimples is because your pores are blocked. Anytime your pores become blocked, you are at risk of getting ingrown hairs, blackheads, whiteheads, pimples, razor bumps, boils, anything like that. All of this happens because your pores become blocked. What do they become blocked with? One, dead skin cells. Your body is always producing new skin cells every single day. Your body usually does a good job of removing the old ones. Sometimes they get caught inside the pores. The second one is bacteria. Bacteria can happen anywhere on your skin, from getting stuff on it. It doesn't matter. Bacteria can get caught inside the pores. The third one, excessive oil. Your hair, your skin, and your nails. Your body produces oil. You can't see it, but it's on your skin. Sometimes your body produces too much oil. It's trapped inside the pores. So we need to open up the pores. How do we do this? You do what's called a sugar scrub, the natural way of exfoliating. Now, all you do is you have 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of water, mix it in a glass, get the sugary watery paste, scrub it on the pimples. You can go to the store if you want and buy exfoliation creams. They come in little tubes. Sometimes they come in like bottles. It doesn't matter. Anyway, you don't get very much. And they're anywhere from $20 to $100. The sugar that I do costs like $3 and it lasts like 6 months to a year. So all you do is scrub your face or wherever the pimples are for 60 seconds with the sugary watery paste and then wash it off with water. That is it. You do that within 3 days, the pimples will be gone. That's it. To maintain the pimples being gone, do this once a night, right before going to bed. End of video. Thank you so much for watching.